Hi, this film is for anyone laying a wood effect, tiles or laminate flooring where you only get a few repeats of the pattern and you want to avoid an annoying pattern repeating too closely to each other. So what we've done, mine are porcelain tiles from B&Q, I'm really pleased with them. You take delivery and make sure they're all the same batch number and keep them somewhere off the ground. I've got mine on a pallet and protected from the weather. You empty a few packets, work out how many different tiles there are and number them. I've got 4. And then you work out a layout, which took us for ages, and I can save you some time here, whereby 2 of the same tile are not going to be touching each other, or plank are not going to be touching each other. Basically, you take your 1, 2, 3, 4 and put them in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then as you go up to the next row, you stagger it so that the first tile is not touching. See, it's gone up and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again, up and along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Having it on the wall has been absolutely brilliant for keeping track. And then we chalked each tile so that helps us keep track when we're laying them down. And I think it's been really effective with just 4 different designs. I think it looks great. Now you might have noticed that there aren't an even number of each pattern. Now it might be that once we've opened up the rest of our packets that we do find that it all evens out. But what we've done is we've prioritised the main area of the room, which is not going to be covered by furniture or fittings. So the main area that you see, it has really worked well for. And as you get round to the edges and places where perhaps there might be a sofa or kitchen units, it's not such an issue. We started at the threshold of the front door, did a straight line in down, like where your eye would follow through into the room, and taken it from there. What else to know? These are the products we've used, so that's the adhesive. And these are the clips, which have been brilliant for spacing and levelling. So what they do is, they've got a little cup underneath the tile, and they hold the tiles together with a perfectly equal distance. When the adhesive is dry, these all clip off, and then you go out and you don't see them. But they've been really effective. It's totally level. I hope that's helpful and it's saved you lots of time. Here's another picture of that plan.